In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Intuit Credit Karma account in 25 step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Credit Karma website. You can use the main Credit Karma sign-in page, or if you prefer, you can also sign in through the Intuit account sign-in page. Both options work the same way because Credit Karma uses your Intuit account credentials, so whichever page you choose, you'll still be accessing the same account. Once you're on the login screen, the next step is to enter your login information carefully. You can sign in using the email address linked to your account, your phone number if it's associated with the account, or your Intuit user ID. After that, enter your password in the password field and click the login button. As you do this, make sure the information is typed correctly, especially if you're using a saved login or switching between multiple email addresses. A small typo can prevent access, so it's worth taking a second to double check before moving on. After you submit your login details, you may be asked to complete a security verification step. This is a normal part of the sign-in process and is there to help protect your account from unauthorized access. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email address, your mobile phone, or your authenticator method if you have that enabled. Be sure to use the most recent code you receive, since these codes often expire quickly. Once the verification is complete, your sign-in should finish automatically and you'll be taken into your dashboard. From there, you'll be able to access the main features of your Credit Karma account, including your credit scores, credit reports, and any credit monitoring alerts connected to your profile. You may also see financial recommendations and tools provided through Credit Karma. These can help you review your credit activity and explore account-related insights all in one place. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, especially on mobile devices or slower internet connections. As long as your login details and verification code were entered correctly, you should be able to access your account without any issues. And that's how to log into your Intuit Credit Karma account in 25. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be signed in and ready to use your dashboard in just a few minutes.